Welcome to this video. Chip, sit back, relax and enjoy. I'm just gonna do a quick update, so it will just be a talking video about update of the build and the upgrade and what is going on overall and what is gonna come in the new year. So yep, sit back and enjoy and chip. First of all, of the plan. What is going on with my upgrade? What is hell is going on? Well, I've not posted a video on that. Very good question. Actually, very good question. I broke the motherboard myself, the new motherboard. I pried off, somehow when I put it in the case and built it, I pried off a little piece of the PCB of the motherboard, so it is sent to repair. And that's pretty much it, no story to that. I was trying to fix it and that's my mistake overall. I will be paying for the repair. It's only gonna be $40 max, otherwise, if they cannot repair it, they will send a free one, a new one with the same part, and send it and cover everything, shipment, everything, because the warranty is still under it and covering. But the repair, because I did it myself, the repair, I did damage myself. The repair I will pay for, but shipping and everything else is covered on the warranty I have. And how did I find out that it was broken? And how did I find out the PCB was a pried off? Well, I didn't notice actually. I didn't, because I was trying to fix it, trying to figure out what is going on, and I'm work as IT support. And I couldn't see anything, and I missed that. So I sent it, my CPU RAM onboard, new CPU RAM onboard. I sent it to repair shop and say, hey, what is going on? I don't know what, but I have an idea what is going on and what is wrong. I thought it was motherboard, and yes, the CPU RAM, no problem there. They are totally fine. And then they send a picture, send a picture motherboard with a pried, with a little bit of the PCB, a little bit of PCB piece is off. Yep, and then they sent it that and said, hey, this is what is going on and this is why it's not working. I was like, fuck. This message after this, if it's getting repaired, you need to pay for the repair, and we will cover everything else. But if we cannot repair it, we will cover everything. We will send you a new one and you will not be paying anything. We will cover it because it's under the warranty. And what is gonna come with the new year? Well, new videos, of course. I'm gonna hopefully soon get the video of the upgrade and the build, more tech content out there. Also a storage upgrade, build a video of that. And then a setup tour, a room tour and everything else also hopefully. Not hopefully, I'm gonna do it, but that's gonna be the new year. So when you see this, it's still, I'm gonna record it at 22 December. So happy 22 December. I'm gonna post it the same day as I'm recording this. Happy 22 December. If you see this later, then happy Christmas, happy holidays, happy Christmas, and hope you have an awesome Christmas and also getting a lovely food and enjoying your time with your family or your loved ones or your friends or whatever you're doing on Christmas. And hope the gifts is also gonna be amazing and you stay warm because it's quite cold out there. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you like it. It was just a quick update, what is going on, what is gonna be new year. But new year, there's gonna be a lot of new videos coming out, a lot of new ideas with the tech. And I'm gonna try my best to do as best I can to put videos, but I also do work full time. But also, if you are wondering where can I find more content that's not tech related, there is a second video YouTube channel I have that is more reacting, gaming, lifestyle, not about tech or gaming equipment or just overall tech stuff. It's more about I edit game stuff, edit my clips of when I'm streaming and getting some good hits. I edit that and put that on that. I also have TikTok, Instagram, HoverGG, and I stream on Twitch Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and also Saturday when I have the time. So that was just a quick update what is going on and why I've not posted a video on what is happening right now. So enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think of this video, what I can do better, and I will see you later. Peace out. Much love. JT Tech Boys out. Have a good holiday. Have a good Christmas. Much love. Bye.